kidding me?
Separate your feet.
Are you kidding me?
Separate your
Are
feet.
you kidding me? I didn't do anything wrong.
Can you stop talking for a second?
Hey, how are you? Your window doesn't roll down, huh? All right. Well, seriously, the reason I'm pulling you over is you have a headlight out. Did you know that?
Yes, I do. I'm working on getting it rewired. I have to get my headphones or my, gotta get it rewired.
Your registration insurance too, please? Show up with a knife. You got a knife in her between your seat and center console.
I got some hand sanitizer.
You got hand sanitizer?
Yes, I do.
That's
I'm
fun.
very clean. Here it is.
Where are you coming from tonight?
A friend of mine.
I got wood all over.
I collect driftwood. Is that a problem? Are you pulling me over because I have driftwood?
No, I told you why I'm pulling you over.
Okay.
I was just making conversation.
Cool. There's that. Insurance.
All right.
Vehicle registration for you, sir.
Thank you.
Not a problem. Sorry about my headlight. I'm working on getting that worked out. I have a wire that's not grounded in my headlight. Sorry about that.
No, that's okay. It's not a big deal.
Not a big deal.
Do you have any? Okay, don't touch that.
I do
yeah,
have
go ahead and don't touch that again, okay? Do you have anything in the vehicle you shouldn't have?
Nope.
You mind if I search the car?
No, you're not searching my vehicle. I have a headlight out. You have no right to do that. I'm sorry. Soda.
Do you have anything to drink tonight?
I don't understand why it's such a...
Melissa, look at me.
I don't understand why I'm being gifted such a hard time because I have a headlight out. You know what I mean? Like...
Yeah, I hear you. Look at me for a second.
I don't have to look at you. Okay.
The officer proceeds to write up the necessary paperwork for this stop for the next 3 minutes while he's doing this. Melissa grows impatient.
What's taking so long? Can I go home yet?
You just get the paperwork done, so...
Oh, I got you paperwork. I don't understand paperwork for a headlight out.
Yes. It's called an equipment violation.
Okay, sure. I'm just confused.
Why are you confused? How can I better explain the situation to you?
I have a headlight out.
Yes, ma'am. It's called equipment violation.
Okay.
Okay. That is a violation.
I
So
understand
you can
that.
receive a citation for it, a written warning, or I don't know what he's writing up. Okay. I know that his computer has been messing up, and he's just trying to get going on this paperwork so he can get you out of here.
Thank you.
So we're just trying to figure that out right now. So.
Appreciate that.
Is there
My
a reason for this
insurance is
stop?
good. I don't understand.
Okay, so hear me out. If you want to hear me out, it has anything to do with your insurance. It has everything to do with the equipment violation, which is probable cause for a traffic stop.
I understand that.
Okay, perfect.
And I'm aware that I have a light out. And like I said, I was going to take care of it.
Okay, so the light's out, which constitutes for the stop, which constitutes for the violation. So
there's not a day that I don't drive on our highways here in sunny South Florida that I don't see somebody with a traffic light out or their headlight out or a brake light out or someone running a stop sign.
So when we do see those, that's why we do stops, and that's why we educate people on the law.
I guess I'm one of those lucky ones, right?
You are.
God bless me.
Because you're one of the people with the headlight out today, right?
You guys don't stop everybody, so hey.
Well, we kind of can't stop everybody. There's only a certain amount of officers in the city. See ya. Yep, it happens, you know. You don't break the law, you don't see us. What's the problem? No, she just doesn't understand why it's taking so long. I told her that your computer's been having issues with the modify and load up the numbers, and she said her insurance is good, her driver's license is good. I understand. I said, well, your headlight constitutes for a stop, so it's a violation, it's a equipment violation, so that's where we're at right now. Jeez. Is it just when your high beams are on? Or off?
I'm sorry?
If you put your high beams on, does your light work?
No,
I actually
recently just bought this car, and when I bought it, the headlights were working.
Okay, is it just...
I looked at the bulb, I changed the bulb, and it's actually the wiring, so I have to get like the wire regrounded and everything else. So yes, I'm aware of what's going on with my headlight. Like I've been working on it for a couple weeks now, and I can't seem to figure out the problem, so I apologize.
No need to apologize.
You guys are making a big deal out of the headlight being out, like...
We're not making a big deal of the headlight. You're actually making a big deal of the headlight.
No, it's okay. It's alright. It's alright. I just want to go home and go to sleep.
Where are we at this evening?
It doesn't matter where I was at. I was with my friends, and that's all that matters. I didn't do anything wrong. I have a headlight out. I was driving the speed limit. My insurance is good. My license is valid. You guys pulled me over for my headlight. Now I feel like it's at a point of harassment. I want to go home.
Harassment?
I want to go home. like,
unfortunately, you're detained at this point, so you can't go home because you're in a traffic stop,
I understand that over a headlight.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'll just sit here and wait for you guys to get that. Thank you.
Perfect. Perfect. You gonna do what? Just gonna sit here and wait for us to do our thing. Good.
A third officer now arrives to ask Melissa some questions due to suspicions of her being intoxicated.
Melissa, good evening. I'm Officer Flink, Palm Beach Gardens.
How's it going?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Very well. Trying to go home, sir.
Okay, where are you coming from tonight?
A friend's house.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink?
No, sir.
Any controlled substances, narcotics?
No, sir.
THC, edibles?
Nope.
Okay, where are you headed to?
My house is right here.
Okay, what kind of drink is that in the glove box or the middle? Okay.
It's
a Publix?
soda, sir.
Okay, if you would go ahead and step out with me real quick, I want to make sure you're all set to drive.
I don't have to step out of my vehicle.
You don't have to?
I have a headlight out. You guys are pulling me out of my car for a
Put a
headlight.
knife between the seats.
For a headlight.
Right,
No,
but I want to
sir.
make sure that you're all set to drive.
I'm okay to drive. I haven't done anything wrong.
Okay, so I want to
haven't
make sure that you're good. So you want to come out with me?
No, sir.
All right. Now this is the last time I'm going to ask you, and then I'm going to have you come out.
That's
So
not
please
nice,
come out on your own.
sir. Why would I have, sir? I haven't done anything wrong.
Okay.
I
Go ahead and step out.
I haven't done anything wrong. Wait.
So I want to do
Step
some
out.
exercises,
Wait,
okay?
wait, sir.
Are you willing to do any exercises?
Sir, wait
You
a
can
minute.
back
wait.
away. We're gonna.
Wait a minute. Wait.
Calm down. Let's
Sir,
settle down for a
I'm gonna
second.
go down on the ground because
No,
you guys
come
are
on.
being assholes. No.
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 Melissa, stand
Sir,
up.
I haven't done anything wrong. I have a headlight out. That's not right.
Right, and we want to make sure that you're all set to drive.
Nope.
Okay.
No.
So I want you
No,
to do some
sir.
exercises. I got to tell you something though.
Nope. I'm gonna
If
sit
you don't
right
do
here on
these
the ground.
exercises, it's not going to dispel mine and these
I
other
haven't done
officers'
anything wrong.
concerns.
My hands
Stop
are
talking.
myself.
It's not going to
No.
dispel our
No,
concern
sir.
that you're driving under the influence, okay?
I'm not under the influence.
Okay, so
sir,
why
I
don't you
haven't
do
done
some
anything.
exercises to prove it?
I have a headlight out. You guys are pulling me over for a headlight. Are you kidding me?
Okay, but now we believe you may be impaired. Okay?
You guys are.
Okay? Now next, it's going to force me to make an arrest based on the totality of the circumstances as I know them to this point.
You guys are.
And lastly, it will be used against you in the court of law.
I'm so scared right now. Oh my God.
Okay, so are you willing to do these exercises? Ma'am, you will be placed under arrest if you do not do them. Are you willing to do the exercises? All right. All right.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? What did I do?
We gave you many
What
opportunities.
did I do? No, I'm sitting here on the ground. I didn't do anything wrong. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. Ma'am, help! Police brutality! Police brutality! I didn't do anything wrong.
Are you going to stand up or do we got to help you out?
I didn't do anything wrong. No, I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. No, I didn't do anything wrong. No. You know what? Tase my ass. I didn't do anything wrong.
We're not going to taser you.
I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. Police brutality. Police brutality. Please. Help.
Ma'am.
Help. No, I didn't do anything wrong.
Stop turning.
You guys are pulling me over for a headlight out. Are you kidding
Okay,
me?
separate
Are
your
you
feet.
kidding me?
Separate your feet.
Are you kidding me?
Separate your
Are
feet.
you kidding me? I didn't
have
do
anything?
anything wrong. I
Can you
didn't
stop talking for a second? Do you have anything illegal on you?
Ma'am, I didn't do
have-
anything wrong on.
okay,
I didn't do
okay.
anything wrong, ma'am.
You
I'm
did-
looking
Stop.
at your eyes. No, ow.
Stop turning. Gosh.
Oh my God. You know what? I'm gonna sue the
Stop turning. Stop turning and stop twisting.
Ow, help.
Stop fighting then. Stop. Good. Stop.
Please help. Oh my God.
Stop.
Please.
Stop moving.
Please. I didn't do anything.
Stop
I didn't do
and
anything
stop
wrong.
tensing
Oh my
and turning.
God.
Let her check you, okay?
Gosh, man.
We gotta
Spread your feet.
I'm gonna contact your captain. Oh my God, this is
You can do that
horrible.
tomorrow.
Sir, you're gonna.
Stop
Ma'am,
twisting
ma'am,
and
you're
stop.
breaking my arm.
Stop.
Oh my God.
If you would stop tensing up, stop
Sir.
twisting.
Sir.
turning.
You know what? You guys
Stop.
are you're gonna get a call in the
Stop
morning.
It's okay, we got lots.
Get a lot of them.
Yep. Because you guys are assholes, that's why. The bullies. You guys aren't safety at all.
NWA wrote a song about that, actually.
You're hurting me! Stop! Stop!
Unbelievable.
Stop hurting me! Stop hurting me!
You have to hold
Stop
still.
hurting me.
Hold
Oh my
still.
God.
Stop pushing away and tensing. Are you going to stop? Are you going to stop?
I have a daughter. Please
Okay,
stop.
I'm going to
Stop
stop.
tensing up and pulling away.
Stop tensing up.
Oh, I got something here. Hold on. I got something here. There's a little baggie inside of here. Oh, never mind. Like some kind of dime or something.
Please stop hurting me. Please. Please stop hurting me. Stop hurting me. You're a piece
Are
of
you
shit.
fucking serious?
You.
What'd she do? Fat Leo?
Yes.
Yep, spit.
Matt, take a walk. Maddie, take a walk.
Yep. Go. Turn this
Put it
off.
on the camera. Put it on. Caitlin, document it on your camera. Did she kick him or just spit on him? How many times?
Twice.
Was it 2 separate actions?
Yep. Anything good?
Huh?
Anything in here?
I smell it.
Oh.
You alright?
Yeah. That was all the beer.
Oh, yeah.
What is the problem? Quit banging on the door.
Damn, it's cutting off the circulation in my hand.
It's not.
Damn, my hand.
Ma'am, can you stop talking for a second?
Alright, here's the thing. You keep kicking, and have to hobble your feet.
I got a hobble right next to you, Matt. Matt, there's a hobble right behind you.
We're gonna hobble your feet in a second. You keep kicking and banging on the door. We're gonna hobble your feet and keep you from doing that, restraining you from destroying city property and hurting yourself. So your cuffs are fine. We have checked them already out there. We have already looked to make sure your wrists are okay, and they are. So stop banging on the door, or your feet will be hobbled next.
There's a bunch of shake on the ground in here. Got some Pabst Blue Ribbon in here.
Oh, yeah.
Still cold, there's still ice in there. Ah, there he is. That's why Jason's the man.
A little bit of weed.
Look at you, kiddo.
I didn't even know that was there.
Kiddo.
Storage compartment.
You said you could smell it.
That's why we always, yeah, dude. I saw a little bit of shake on the ground.
Double back. That's why you double
Yep.
back.
This is why we double check each other's work.
Tank, storage jar.
Jart Melissa was charged with driving under the influence, resisting 2 counts of battery on a law enforcement officer, and possession of cannabis. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.